how you doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, you guys, today I am making a creamy, flavorful pea salad. Now, if you ever had a pea salad, comment it below and let me know how you make it, your recipe. But y'all know here, I cut corners and it'll be delicious, and we're gonna make an easy one today. So let's get to cooking. Okay, you will need peas, of course. These are canned sweet peas that's been drained. You will need mayo, your favorite mayo. I love Miracle Whip, salt, and a little diamond dust. You will need some onions that we're gonna chop up, celery that we're gonna chop up, green onions that we're gonna chop up, red bell pepper that we're gonna chop up. I like mine spicy, so I'm doing a little jalapeno in. And of course, some eggs. We gotta boil these eggs. First, we're gonna start off getting our eggs boiled. We're gonna do hard-boiled eggs. Of course, I am using my egg steamer. I love this egg steamer. Only thing you need to do, and I got it from the TikTok shop, so go check my storefront. You add just a little water, all the way, fill it up to the little level, and you add the eggs. We're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna turn it on. And this takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Will give you the perfect boiled egg and easy to peel. I'm telling you, if you use an egg steamer, your peeling of your hard-boiled eggs will be so easy. It won't get stuck. You won't tear the eggs off. You'll see it right here. So while we have the egg steamer on, like I said, it's gonna take 10-15 minutes. We're gonna chop up the vegetables. So we're gonna start off with a little onion, not too much. I'm gonna be the only one to eat this salad. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bell pepper. Okay, you guys, we got the vegetables cut. Okay, we're gonna add the onions, the red bell peppers, the jalapenos, and the green onions to the bowl. We're gonna add the peas straight into the bowl. We're gonna add some Miracle Whip or your mayo of choice. I would say probably start off with 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add a little salt.
Kitchen stays busy. I'm serving you, live cooking, showing you how to whip up a cooking. This isn't just cooking. This is entertainment. We laugh, we vibe, we keep it real, and yes, I'm gonna keep you smiling the whole time. Oh, oh, oh. Now listen, if you came in here trying to troll, baby, don't worry, I'm gonna flip that negativity and turn it into something sweet real quick. Oh, don't get it twisted. I got my eyeballs in the building. Yeah, my snipers, they stay ready. So come correct, bring good energy, and enjoy the show.
Mmm. I'm the only one gonna eat this probably. Mmm. Yum. You know, creamy pea salad. Yum.